It was an early morning start. Here at Markzware, we're invited down to Belgium in Ghent to the Atomyx product launch. Very exciting day it was.
You want to be able to have an overview of what happens.
Yes, it was really great to get down there to Belgium. Today I have my Atomyx shirt on, which they gave nice gift bag instead of my normal, Markzware shirt. But because we really were honored to be invited to such a lovely event, very professional. And what is Atomyx? Well, Atomyx is basically like a visual set of views in the cloud, so online, so you can get insights into your workflow. Now, there was a cast of industry experts there: Pat McGrew, Bernd Zipper, David Zwang, and I like the way they explained it. Workflow is the buzzword, has been for 20 years since we came out with Mark Scout and Flight Check Workflow back when. And, or even just Flight Check, people use it in their workflow. But as they was reiterated, that it's not workflow, it's workflows. And what Atomyx does is help you to get a better overview of all the disparate workflows you might have in your business, and to help connect or automate even more, so that you can go and make actually a print run of one profitable. There's going to be less employees, needed, because there's going to be less personnel available. So you're going to have to automate to be able to do these things, and that's what the experts touched on. And it was a very, very interesting two-day event. So you can check out more information on Atomyx.io. It's actually 3 products in one: Atomyx Manage, Prepare, and Layout. Very interesting concepts. It was great to be there. And why was it great to be there? Not just the beautiful Ghent scenery, which is a lovely city. What Markzware has to offer, and why we were invited and why we went down there, is we also have a series of APIs that can help you bring to life your file conversion and preflighting workflows. So if you go to the documentation section of api.markzware.com, you can see right now that the API is mainly surrounded around the file conversion, PDF to InDesign, QuarkXPress InDesign, InDesign to Affinity Publisher, InDesign to IDML, whatever it might be. We're going to offer our file conversions as APIs, and under a contractual basis, we can work out arrangements with those that need to use these APIs. Later, and right now we do have some basic reporting APIs. Later, we'll also be adding in the pre-flighting side of the API, so you can actually get pre-flighting in your own solution built in as API and just running in the background and displaying information via something like an Atomyx workflow, or an Atomyx view, as they call them. So it's very exciting. We're pleased to be able to be there. So pleased I even wore the shirt today. And thank you, everybody down there at 4Ps. Atomyx will be spun off as a separate company. Inkish was there. A lot of information from Inkish is online. Here's the Atomyx launch 2024 on their site. So very, very cool. It's a fabulous day. We here at Markzware are looking forward to helping you with APIs to help your workflows flow even better. So if you have any questions, email us on sales@markzware.com. This is not officially released yet, our APIs. It's a soft release, as we call it. So you can try it out. You can get a token. You can build something, and we can discuss, if you want to implement it commercially, exactly how that would work, whether it's pay per file or pay per page, or just work in whatever model you're using and come to a reasonable agreement. So this is very exciting times for the print industry, for everyone in general, with AI. It was also discussed. Bernd Zipper went into the AI there in Belgium a couple of days ago. Very interesting. And he has a symposium coming up in March, which will be about AI in print, which sounds very, very interesting. And we'll have another video about Flight Check and AI, and how we can not only detect AI elements, but also help you integrate with AI, to get content automatically summarized and transcribed right via Flight Check into the AI, or to get images keyworded right and summarized and given unique titles based on the information just in the picture, just how it looks. So the AI can do that too. So there's a lot of exciting things happening, and I just wanted to share this with you about Atomyx and how Markzware was down there to, offer our APIs to help you with file conversion and eventually preflighting and some reporting right now as well. So email us on sales@markzware.com. David Dilling from Markzware wishing you a fantastic day. Take care.
Called me the other day. Well, actually.